I am Annie, and this is a guided meditation by Heal With You, where healing starts with you. Before beginning your practice, please consult a medical professional to see if meditation is right for you. This meditation should never replace any medication, nor should it be used as a replacement for professional medical help. No one associated with Heal With You is a licensed medical professional. This meditation is a simple addition to any other health regimen or protocol. Lastly, please remember to never practice this meditation while driving or operating heavy machinery. Make sure all cellular phones are silenced, and you can go somewhere you can relax for the duration of this meditation. Change is something a great deal of us have a difficult time dealing with, especially sudden change. We may feel as if things are perfectly fine just the way they are, but in reality, things are changing around us all the time as we are constantly moving forward. This meditation will help you to look back on your past to see the changes you have made, and then forward to how these changes have impacted your life. How progress needs to be made, or how much progression has been made. In doing so, you can find more comfort in the changes that are happening all around you. Seeing that no matter how good or bad something may have seemed at the time, change did not affect it. It just made it different than you thought. Things never go like we think they will. So letting go of that control can truly allow for amazing things to happen in your life. Begin by finding somewhere you can relax. Allow your breathing to become soft and even, and begin to bring your focus inward. Feel your body as it begins to unwind, and allow the mind to slow. Notice the air as it passes through the nose, into the lungs, and feel the rise and fall of the chest. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Allow your mind to think back to where you were last year at this point in your life. Remember what season it was, where you were living, what the weather was like. Think of what your goals were at this time and what you truly wanted for yourself, where you thought you would be by now. What has changed? Sit with these memories for a moment. Bring your mind now to all the good things that have happened from this time last year until now. The things you did that made you feel good, even if it is as small as a small walk or a friend visiting. Allow your mind to focus on the positive just for this moment. Focus on the good thoughts when looking back at the past. If you cannot find anything positive, that is fine too. Give yourself gratitude for trying. Bring your focus now back to your breath, breathing in and breathing out again. Bring attention to how you are feeling after letting the thoughts arise. What came up that you feel changed, or that you feel still needs to be changed? Would it be okay for you to work through those changes, or to simply let them go? What came up that changed that you're grateful for? The longer we are on this planet, the more amazing we become. With each day, we grow more and more wise and aware. Take a moment to allow gratitude and appreciation for everything that has come into your life so far. All the experiences, the growth, and the changes. Let this gratitude seed your thoughts, feeding off it, and let it grow into more and more hope, abundance, and faith in your situation. Allow yourself a moment to visualize where you want to be at this time next year, what changes you are happy to make, and agree with yourself that if they are different than you thought by this time next year, that is perfectly fine. Bring your focus now back to the breath, taking a long, deep breath in to awaken the body. Breathe in and breathe out. Begin to make small movements with your fingers. Wiggle your toes and open your eyes, letting them adjust to the light in the room. Notice how your body is feeling and how it feels as it awakens. If available to you, reach your arms above your head and stretch. Move your jaw and bring your full awareness into the space that you're in. Thank you for taking this time for you, for change, for allowing yourself to see change in a positive way. Please click like, share, and subscribe to us on YouTube. You can also follow us on Instagram at Heal With You for inspirational posts and new meditation announcements. And as always, remember, healing always starts with you.